Welcome to another video. In this video we are going to solve detecting loop in a linked list problem from Geeks for Geeks. So here there is a list and there is some loop in the list. We need to detect whether that particular loop is present or not. Let us consider the situation. If the loop is present, what is going to happen? Let us say there is some list and if you start going through the list, if there is no loop, at some point you are going to reach a null pointer or end of the list. If there is a loop, you are going to keep on iterating over the loop. So this is the condition to detect if there is no loop. If we reach a null pointer at some point while traversing through the linked list, then there is no loop. So how to detect if there is a loop? For that, there is a technique named slow and fast pointer. We will declare two pointers, that is, one is slow. Initially both will point to the head of the list. Fast will also point to the head of the list. So then we will start traversing through the list. While slow and fast, we are going to move slow pointer by one position, that is slow equals slow dot next, and we are going to move fast pointer by two positions, that is fast equals fast dot next dot next. Since we are accessing pointer after fast dot next, we also need to check here fast dot next is not null. So we will move the slow pointer by one position at each time and fast pointer by two positions. If there is a list, then what is going to happen inside this while loop is this while loop will always keep on executing, and since we are moving two positions, that means fast is going twice the speed of slow pointer. So if two persons are running, one person is running at 20 kilometers per hour and let's say slow person is running at 10 kilometers per hour, then this fast and slow will meet at each other at the same point. So we need to check at some point if these two becomes equal. If slow equals fast, then we know that there is a loop, so we will return true. So if that is not the case, if there is no loop in the linked list and at some point this slow pointer or fast pointer or fast dot next, one of these three pointers will reach this fast dot next pointer will reach the end of the linked list. At that point we are sure that while loop will terminate and we will come outside of that while loop, so there is no loop. So this is the logic behind finding whether there is a loop present in linked list or not. Let us compile this code and try to check whether it is passing the initial test cases or not. Yes, it is passing the initial test cases. Let us submit this solution and verify whether it passes all the test cases. Totally there are okay. We got a runtime error. Expected time limit is 1.91 seconds, but it is taking more than these things. How that is possible? Let us submit this solution and check again. Yes, maybe due to something, initially it failed, but it is the same solution as before. So thanks for watching this video. Before finishing this video, I think we should discuss what is the time complexity. For time complexity here, at worst case, if there is no loop, I think we are going to the loop once, otherwise this fast and slow will keep on rotating. So it will be proportional to size of the linked list. So time complexity is O of n, and space complexity. For space complexity, we are just using some 2 pointers to use it as slow and fast. These are not going to scale with the input, so our space complexity is O of 1. This is the solution that we have submitted. And if you are interested in learning more about other data structures and algorithms, you can check out other videos from my channel. Thanks for watching this video.